Yep, I made some more some more chicken soup, and this is it. It's actually all done. I'm actually going to shut the stove off right now, and then I'm going to do a little stirring up. It's all done, all nice and done. Carrots, tons of carrots. Tons of, celery. Tons of chicken. A 10-pound chicken all in there right there. 10-pound chicken. A lot of rice. A lot of rice. Let me see if I could, Okay. Now what I'll do is get a little sample. Yeah, that's the ticket. I don't want any of that fat. Okay, now that's plenty of substance. About a little gravy, not gravy, but liquid. Shake off that fat. Get off there. Get off there now, boy. Get off there. Get off there now. Get over there. Okay, here it is. See if I can zoom in. Maybe it'll be better. Oh, you know what? Let me go to macro now. Let me go to Mac. Well, anyway, if I go close to it like that, it's like the bomb. Look at the bombshell. This here ain't gonna just sit in the sink. Gotta clean it off. They gotta do that on the cook shows. That's not that bad to watch. They don't show them washing the spoons. They don't show them when they wash the spoons and stuff. Then grab the towel and stuff. Clean down the sink, Put the towel back up here. Grab a spoon off my magnet. Put it in here. Close this cabinet. Boom. Shut off the light. Reach back there, shut it off. Come over here, shut off this light. See that light up there? Go over here, turn it off. Go over here, turn off that switch. That shuts everything off in the kitchen. Grab this very carefully. You know what? This is very hot, so. I don't know how I just did that, but anyway.